In the occasion of this International Overdose Awareness Day of 2021, I would like to share a message about life. My name is Giovanna Campello, and I am the Chief of the Prevention, Treatment and Rehabilitation Section of the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. Our World Drug Report highlights how overdoses account for the vast majority of the 500,000 drug-related deaths globally, a number that has increased by 18% in the last 10 years. It is our joint responsibility to share the facts and save lives, to prevent further overdose death, and to prevent and treat drug use disorders. And these are the facts. Evidence-based treatment and care services for people who use drugs and people with drug use disorders, as described in the UNODC WHO standards, have been shown to decrease overdose and overdose deaths. For opioid use disorders, this includes therapy with long-acting opioid agonists, meaning medications such as methadone and buprenorphine. In addition, all people likely to witness an overdose can be trained to provide emergency management of overdose with naloxone and thus save lives. What could be more meaningful? Together with WHO, UNODC works with the member states of the United Nations to expand these services, including for people in contact with the criminal justice system. For example, together, we have just concluded the SOS study. SOS stands for Stop Overdose Safely, in Eastern Europe and in Central Asia. In only 8 months, we have trained more than 14,000 people likely to witness an opioid overdose and equipped them with naloxone. And in more than 4,000 cases of observed suspected overdoses, naloxone was applied to save lives. As a person likely to witness an overdose trained in our SOS project said, what could be more important than to learn how to save someone's life? And only one person with drug use disorder in 8 has access to treatment. So there is a lot to do, but this is also a reachable goal. I invite you to hear the people touched by the results of our work in the film about life that is linked in the description of this video. And above all, I invite you to join forces with us and with partnerships such as the Rome Consensus to prevent overdoses by reducing stigma and expanding services that put people who use drugs and people with drug use disorders at the center to support their well-being, health, and recovery, their life.